In cross-border Lightning e-commerce, the real challenge is rarely the product itself. A single order traveling from a Chinese factory to the end customer's hands involves multiple handoffs: manufacturing, QC, CE certification, packaging, customs clearance, logistics, and final delivery. If just one link fails, the entire order falls apart. Survival comes down to three things: cost, damage rate, and fulfillment reliability. With the product prices increasingly transparent, it's the hidden logistics and the damage costs that actually decide your margin. The market is full of one-stop promises, but what you actually need is one team running the entire chain. No more finger-pointing between sourcing agents, 3PLs, and freight forwarders. FFOrder connects sourcing, production, warehousing, and global fulfillment under a single operations team. With 100+ global routes and customer clearance for the US, EU, Brazil, and Australia, we hit a number 99.8% global delivery success rate. Lightning is fragile. We minimize damage through customer packaging and create reinforcement. Beyond the protection, we offer full customization from product and logo to outer packaging, all managed end-to-end by our dedicated Lightning team. We manage over a million SKUs with industrial precision. Whether you process 100 orders a day or scale to 10,000, your supply chain remains unbreakable. We understand the core mechanic of the industry. DM us to get the 2026 Lightning Industry Insights. We handle the supply chain so you can focus on scaling.